everybody, I'm Elena and recently I've been to Sephora and I saw the Bare Minerals Powder Foundation 50% off. I didn't want to pass this huge, great deal, this fantastic deal actually, and I went ahead. I found because it was really picked. You know, it was, of course, everyone went in there, but it was really picked. But I managed to find my winter color, and today I want to show you how quick and easy it is to pull through a look using powder foundation, how easy it is to apply, convenient, fast, you name it. I don't know how it's lost all the hype that it had beforehand because it's something that is still out there, you know, at the stores. And it's great and it's fantastic. So if you want to see how it performs, how I apply it, how quick it works and whatnot, please keep on watching. So you guys, for some reason at my local Sephora, this was 50% off. Now I already have tried it, of course, a long time ago, the Bare Minerals Original Foundation. It's nothing new out there. But I just had the summer color. And I think it's something really convenient for when you're in a rush or something in the lines. So I went ahead and I grabbed my most similar, my winter color actually, from foundation and concealer since it was 50% off. Like, can you believe this? Let's just sink this in. 50% off. This was 12 euros, this was 15 euros. Drugstore price, Bare Minerals. What more can I say? I'm just gonna go ahead. Now I grabbed this in the color medium beige. Of course, it's yet to open. And if you never use the Bare Minerals, it comes with this thing that you have to tear apart, this plastic to protect. And now it has this holes that you can close when turning, so it gets protected and nothing gets loose. But now we're gonna open this and I'm gonna pour some foundation. It's a powder foundation, but it's really beautiful, onto the cap. And to apply this foundation you can use sincerely any brush that you have, that you will. But I'm just gonna go ahead and use the beautiful Finish foundation brush that I have from Bare Minerals from way back when. And it's this funny brush though. Let me show it to you. It's like the center is more, it's dipper, you know, and whatnot. Now I tap off the excess and I'm gonna go ahead, look at the mirror of course, otherwise, and swirl. Now this foundation, it's not a full coverage foundation, obviously, but this can go from really sheer to, you can build it up however much you want it. So right now, this would be, you see how quick this is. And with this brush, it's like a dream because it's blending, it's applying. Like here it's thicker and here it's softer. It's a dream come true. So far, it's a really good match. I was fearful that this would be a tad too dark for me because my winter color is pretty pale, but the other color they were out of, obviously because everybody and their mama were buying this. But yeah, you just have to go ahead with the brush and swirl. And instantly you could be doing this and throw on some mascara and go on with your day. It's that quick. You don't have to set it. It's really convenient. It has an SPF. It's always a bonus though. Like, this is 2 layers. Now I'm stopping here because I don't want to go full coverage, but I'm just closing this so I don't lose product. Now I put the cap back on. This is the matte one though. It's not the original. This is the mattifying one. My skin is evened out. It looks so natural, so beautiful. Flawless. I love this foundation. I don't know why nobody talks about it anymore. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Bare Minerals, the concealer in the color Summer Bisque. I have Bisque. Bisque happens to be darker, so yeah. I'm opening this on camera. I'm opening this on camera, if possible, of course. Now, with the scissors. The scissors, again, the same sifter that you can close and everything is safe in here, or you open. And you can put it wherever. I just put it in the cap concealer. Now for this I use a round brush, flat top concealer brush. This is from Eco Tools. And honestly, the name faded away, but you can see the gist. It's a rounded flat top brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and this is even more magical than the foundation. You just have to make sure to tap off the excess. And you go ahead and place it where you want it. And this is crazy, like, how can a powder conceal so good? Who knows? And it escapes my mind, honestly. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start swirling and setting this in place, because once you start moving the brush across the concealer or the foundation, it almost becomes like a cream that sets in place. Like, it doesn't sit on top of your skin, if you know what I'm saying. It becomes one with your skin. So, all done. Isn't this like crazy? This is crazy fast. But as you can see, you don't have to be in a hurry when applying this. It's real fast to apply this. But the more you blend it, it looks even better, if you know what I'm trying to say. So boom, there's that. That's it. That would be the whole tutorial. Foundation, concealer, everything is mattified. Everything is set in place. My skin looks even. Do you see how quick this is? This is why I love Bare Minerals Powder Foundation. I know they have their liquid foundation. I don't know why this is in sale. I hope they don't discontinue this, because this is so flippin' convenient. Like, you cannot imagine. Now I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to apply just the rest of the makeup for today. So that's about it. This is the final look that I created today. Today I went with warm colors. This is how I was feeling in a nutshell. But as you can see, the powder foundation is every bit as good as the liquid foundation, cream foundation. You just have to have a good brush, or a soft brush to apply it. And as you can see, you totally skip the powdering and everything else, because you already have done that with the foundation. Excuse my hand, I just have a whatever. I just fell. It's not the point. But yeah, you can see the finish is gorgeous and it's so quick. Like, I cannot even explain. Sometimes I forget why I don't reach as much to this, and maybe it is honestly because I just had the summer color, and now that it was half of it and I have the winter color, maybe this is gonna be like a no-brainer, grab and go. You know, it has the SPF and everything, so I just have to go ahead and apply the moisturizer, and then I powder my face real quick with this and the powder concealer real quick. I just throw on some mascara and I'm good to go, you know, with 5 minutes. This is extra fast, real efficient, real good. As you can see the result, then I went ahead and I applied just some more makeup because I had the time to do so and I wanted to. But you can really pull this off, you can really build it up, making it go from sheer to medium coverage as I went today, and I dare to say that you could go even fuller coverage. Of course not total coverage, but it's really beautiful. It doesn't look powdery at all. Can you see? This is the matte one. It gives a beautiful, flawless, seamless finish. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a good thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Have a great day. See you in the next one. Bye!